同学们好，我是 Haynes 老师。Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Haynes, and today's lesson is based on Chinese Made Easy 2 textbook, Lesson 3. Looking at the lesson title, I'm going to change colours. We've got 第三课, the third lesson. 他穿西装上班. He wears a suit to work, to go to work. Okay, alright, so here, in the picture you can see there's a man, and it's going to describe him in the written text. So, let's get ourselves a good color to highlight with. So, 这是王先生. This is Mr. Wang. 他是律师. He is a lawyer. 他每天穿西装, 带领带上班. Now what's happening here? 穿 and 带. What's the difference between these verbs? This one means to wear. Okay, it's the verb to wear and it goes with clothes. The word 带 means to wear, but it goes with accessories. So you have to work out what are and aren't accessories. So here you have an example of 西装. Now 西装 is a suit. Now the way to remember this, 西 is the word for the west, and suits come from the west. Now 领带is a tie. Okay, and that's definitely an accessory. Now we know here, 上班 is to go to work. Okay, looking at the second image, you've got a lady sitting at the desk there. Now her name is 张小杰, 是一家德国公司的经理. Now what that says is, Miss Zhang, this is Miss Zhang, okay, Miss Zhang, she is 一家德国公司的经理. She is the manager of a German company. Okay, manager of a German company. Now, 她每天穿, she wears. Again, we've got that word wears. Now this here is a new word, 套装. Now the 装 is the same as the 装 over here. What do you think it is? It actually means woman's suit. So it's a little different. It's not a pantsuit, it's actually a skirt and a jacket. Now she's going to go to work, 上班. Now, interesting. 但是 but 她周末 what do you think 周末 is? She's not going to be wearing this on the weekend, is she? So weekend, 喜欢穿牛仔裤. So these are 牛仔裤, jeans, and 运动鞋, sport shoes. So these are sneakers. Okay, 运动鞋. So you can pretty much work out what type of shoes they are just by the word preceding it. In this one over here, in our school uniform unit, we had 皮鞋, which are leather shoes. So you just put the word describing it in front of the word for shoes. Okay? Now, number 3, here's this lady. Her name, let's focus you over here, 胡太太, 现在住在加拿大. 现在, what does that mean? We've definitely done that before. That means right now. Okay, so right now, Miss Hu, or Mrs. Hu, sorry, 住在 lives in 加拿大, lives in Canada. 冬天, in winter, 她要穿呢子大衣, 还要戴帽子, 围巾和手套. Now, what's happening? Definitely a lot of new words, so I'm going to highlight those for you. Firstly, we've got a 大衣, that's an overcoat. A 帽子 is a hat. A 围巾 is a scarf, and 手套 are gloves. Now, you can see that this word here is the one we use for accessories, to wear accessories. this one here is 穿, which means to wear clothes. Now, there's one more describing word I didn't cover there, which is 呢字. And 呢字 is woolen. Now, a word I want to go through here, 要. This word has lots of meanings, okay? Now, it can mean must, will, want. Now, in this situation, we're looking at 她要穿呢字大衣. She must or will wear a woolen overcoat. Overcoat. And also will wear a hat, scarf, and gloves. So what that's indicating is that she will do this in winter time, okay? So she must or will or want to wear. It's sort of interchangeable, okay? Now, Xiaoli, the basketball guy, give you a new color. Xiaoli 喜欢运动. He likes sport. Sport. Okay? 他喜欢穿汗衫 短裤和运动鞋. So what's saying here, what he's saying, sorry, is a t-shirt. So let's highlight that. That's t-shirt. 短裤, we already know, are shorts, and 运动鞋, we learn are sneakers, which is obvious because he likes to play sport. Now, over here, 顾医生今年冬天要去北京. Now, this sentence is saying, the person in the picture, 顾医生, so that's Dr. Gu. 今年冬天要 wants to go to Beijing, okay, or will go to Beijing, okay. 他应该带一件大衣、几件毛衣，还要戴围巾、帽子和手套. Now, looking at this information in pieces, we need to recognize these words. 应该, which means should. Okay? Now, 带 is a verb. 带 is the verb to bring, or take, I should say, but bring. Now, important. 件. 件 is the measure word for clothes. So, measure word for clothes. So, this person is taking 一件大衣, one overcoat. Now, when you say 几件, it means a few. A few 毛衣 jumpers. 还要 will also need to take a 围巾, a scarf, hat, and gloves.